you're like me, you probably shop at Harbor Freight, and you might have one of these jacks here. This is made out of steel. This is not the aluminum one like that, which is very much lighter. This one's pretty heavy, but this is cool because it's low, so you can get, if you have like a lowered car, and ironically, it actually jacks higher than this one does too. So probably because the longer distance there. But something that I've had a problem with here is this hole stripped out. You can see right here, that's what holds the handle. Try to pull it from the handle just pulls out. It's pretty heavy jack, so that's pretty much the only way to move this thing around is by the handle. So we're gonna fix it today. Tired of dealing with this. I looked through my stuff and I happened to find a bolt that I believe will fit. Here it is here. Well, luckily this hole is smaller. This might even be the same thread, but the threads are messed up. So what I'm gonna do is I picked up this handy dandy tool here from Temu, believe it or not, and it's metric. So hopefully this is a metric screw. Let's see what size it is. Oof, it's not. Yeah, so this is not metric, but I should have a standard size thread maker. Let me check. I'm gonna try to rethread this right here, but I need to use metric because my tap and die set from Pittsburgh is only metric. So we're going to convert this to metric. I'm not sure, maybe it's even, it might already be metric, who knows. But we're going to fix that right now. So I decided I'm going to make this thread an M8 by 125. It might be a little bit bigger and this could be standard, but I'm going to cut new threads in there. All right. I'm going to make sure it's perpendicular. That's M8 by 1. Let's do this one instead. Let's do this M8 by 1 instead. Like I'm getting a better grab in there. Yeah, that's better. Oh, no. It's not going in. There you go. There we go. Okay, once it starts to bind up, you want to back it out. All right, I think I'm in there all the way. Should be good. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. That's enough threads. Oh yeah, it's good. It's gonna be very difficult, but you can see those threads in there. Look at that. Nice and clean. All right, so now we just need to go to the store and get a M8 by 1 bolt. Matches these threads right here. And it has to be the right length too, because it needs to fit through here. It needs to fit through here, go all the way through here, and then screw into that. So I'm gonna say it needs to be, I'm gonna say about an inch, maybe 1 inch screw, 1 inch from here to here should be good. And if I'm off, I can use a washer. So this should be good. Yeah, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Probably a 3/4 inch should be good. Okay, time to head to the hardware store. Okie dokie, just got back from Ace Hardware, my favorite hardware store. I hate going to Home Depot because it's so big and it's just everything's a mess there, especially when you're trying to find bolts. Picked up this pretty cool Ace Hardware headlamp that I'm going to need for work. And I picked up a bag of bolts. So let's see which one is going to work on my jack. I bought two just in case. I'm going to try the short one first. But I am going to put a lock washer and a flat washer. Let's see, I'm going to put these two, so that's going to take up a little bit of space. So let's just put it in there to see how far it goes in. That should be good. Should be enough threads there. Once I tighten it down, might be perfect. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. Actually, first let's test. Let's test, make sure it fits into the threads that I put. Yes, it does perfectly. Just spray some more PB Blaster in there just to help prevent it from rusting again. Okay. Actually, now I need to find the hole. Okay, it's got to sit all the way down. And then line up the hole. So it's going to be around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Looks like it's perfectly lined up. Actually, yeah, I'm going to release the pressure a little bit. Right, now let me tighten it down. All right, it worked. It worked. Now you see how it's loose like that? That's how you're going to get the bolt started. And once you get it started, then you can move it. And I should probably just use a socket, but whatever. Nice, look at that. Oh, my jack is working again. Woohoo! Put the lock washer on there just to keep it locked in place tight. Probably don't need that because you do want to be able to remove the handle easily. Not that the lock washer is going to stop you from doing that, but... Oh, shit. Did I strip it? Ooh. Please don't tell me I stripped it. Oh, no. I just slipped. All right. Good. Perfect. Fixed. Fixed. Locked in place. Stainless steel bolt. Handle is nice and tight in there. And now this should work better too. That's going to work better. Perfect. All right, now I got a better working jack. 2 jacks. Handle works great. I can pull it. Doesn't pull out anymore. Add a little PB Blaster to the wheels, so it makes it much better. Easier to maneuver. This DIY repair is done. Peace.